G'day guys, here's the second video today of the series of how to start your own lawn mowing business. Today's video is going to be basically on how to do vertical edging. Now guys, one of the first things that you have to do if you're doing your lawn mowing, if you're going to carry out a business or whatever it is eye protection and hearing protection. This is a must. You must do this. I can't stress it enough. Especially when you're doing any type of cutting. You could be doing whip snipping, you could be doing mowing. Preferably, obviously when you're doing whip snipping, yeah, you're going to get bits and pieces flying up and stuff like that. And if it gets in the eye, it can cause permanent blindness. The other thing is when you're whip snipper or when you're using the trimmer and you're doing edging and you're holding it up like this, you've got the motor just up here, right against your ear. So you're revving that at high revs, it's screaming. So that motor is right next to your ear there, screaming away, so you can get deaf as well. So that's the first thing you must do. Okay guys, now what we're going to be doing here is vertical edging. Now vertical edging is basically using your trimmer or using a dedicated edger to do the edge right across the grass and the concrete. Get that nice, fine, defined cut. Okay, when you're holding the trimmer, to do vertical edging, hold it upside down like this. That way, the head is vertical. So when you're going along the line, it's cutting vertically. Basically what we're doing, we're cutting between the concrete and the grass, that little line. Alright guys, so here we are, got the holding the trimmer the normal way. And what we're going to do, we're going to turn it upside down like that. Okay. Just start it. Normal, upside down, okay? Here we go. We've got to get that line in between the concrete and the grass. Go nice and slow, little bits by little bits as you go. Or if you want to, if that doesn't work out for you that way, you can also hold it any other angle you like, but you can hold it this way as well. It's up to you. Alright guys, here we are. Nice and slow. Just get it in between the crack there. That's the best way to do it. Nice and slow. We're walking backwards because a lot of us contractors do it this way. It's easy for us to actually see what we're cutting. Now you can either walk on the concrete, the road in this video, or you can walk on the grass. It depends, whichever works best for you. Some people look over the grass and they say, look, I can't see the edge properly. Each way is your own preference. Your own preference. Just work it out yourself the best way. Now with this area, because it's quite hilly, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a flat edge. Go up the other end there first. And it's just going to cut across the top. What this does is it gives it a nice 90-degree angle cut. Or you can just mow it. It's up to you. So that's how you do it. The best off to do is practice on a garden bed to do vertical edging. That way if you make any stuff up, because sometimes you go like that, you won't notice it as much. It's a good way to train yourself and get used to it. So don't forget, get the whip snipper. That's how you usually use it. And you need to put it like that. So that goes right along, nice and steady and straight. Okay? Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe down below and get notified for the next video.